And so I show you how to make an FX chain in MadMapper using the video loopback. So here I have a video projector. By default, the publish internal loopback appears here. So the video projector appears as a visual here. So let's put something on this video projector. And now you will see that this video, if I take this and create a new quad, I get the image from this one. So if here I had, let's say, an FX, no, let's take another one from the library, materials, no, 2D FX, apps, let's search for apps. This one, for instance, then I get this, and if I want to make more steps of effects, then I can create other video outputs and chain my composition to make a more complex effect. So here, for instance, I have a quad with the image coming from this video output, and I will duplicate this quad and like put another effect, I don't know, this with addition mode. So now I've got this in this video projector, and in the third one, so I will create a quad that takes the output of this one and that adds a new effect. So I will go here and choose the video output 2, drag and drop to create a video quad. So this is drag and dropping. This is a shortcut that will create a quad, create a new quad like this, and assign the effect, the visual to it. So, and here I can use another effect, like which one? Oops, this one. Oops, and let's make something. Okay, so now from this text here, so I can switch with MadMapper 6. I can switch tabs with Control A, Control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a good technique for doing more complex creations. Cheers.